Hello everyone, and welcome to Delph Stack. If your Windows 11 computer is displaying a TPM Device Not Detected alert on boot, or certain applications and games are suddenly crashing due to security requirement errors, your trusted platform module is either disabled or its cryptographic keys are corrupted. I will show you exactly how to enable and reset your TPM right now. Let's get started. First, the most common reason Windows cannot find your TPM is that it was accidentally disabled in your motherboard's firmware after a crash or system update. Restart your computer and rapidly press the F2 or Delete key on your keyboard to enter your system BIOS or UEFI settings. Navigate to the Security, Advanced, or Trusted Computing tab depending on your specific motherboard brand. Look for a setting named TPM State, Intel PTT, or AMD fTPM. Ensure it is changed to Enabled and save your changes before exiting. Next, if your TPM is already enabled but Windows is still throwing an error code, the module's internal cryptographic keys may be corrupted and require a factory reset. Press the Windows key plus R, type tpm.msc directly into the Run dialog box, and press Enter to launch the TPM Management Console. Look at the Actions panel on the right side of the window and click on the Clear TPM option. Confirm the security prompt and allow your PC to completely restart so Windows can automatically reinitialize the chip with fresh data. Finally, an outdated or broken hardware driver can easily sever the communication pipeline between your operating system and your motherboard's security processor. Right-click your Windows Start button and select Device Manager from the Power User menu. Expand the category labeled Security Devices and locate the entry named Trusted Platform Module 2.0. Right-click the TPM module, select Update Driver, and click Search automatically for drivers, or simply choose Uninstall Device and restart your PC to force a clean installation. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.